Applicant AW3636CE. Please introduce yourself.
Greetings to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Roseline Gabatan, 36 years old, married with 2 kids, 15 and 13 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic from Philippines. I have work experience as a helper in the Philippines in 3 years and 4 months. I start January 5, 2021 and of May 10, 2024. In the Philippines, I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 newborn baby.
You mentioned you work as a local housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years and 4 months. So tell me about your duties and responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities to take care of the baby, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and maintain the cleanliness of the house.
Okay, very good. So can you tell us how you'll take care of the newborn baby?
Bathing, feeding, changing diapers and clothes, giving vitamins, and full care and
Okay, very good. So what are some of your skills?
cooking.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No, but I am willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food.
Okay, very good. So what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible person.
Okay, nice to hear. So anything else you want to tell for your future employer?
Mom, sir, please do hire me because I am patient, hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible person, and I'm willing to follow the rules of your house and take care of your child as my own child.